क्या है sound effects? How can it affect your video? Here is an example. Much better, isn't it? As video creators, sound is really important to us. और हमें सीखना है how to use these sound effects to captivate our audience. Usually, sound effects filmmakers use करते हैं to make any scene look more real. It can be the typing sound on a laptop, the pouring sound of coffee, the page-turning sound of a book, and even the sound of me doing this. अभी नए क्रिएटर्स को क्या वीडियो बनाना है ये तो पता है, पर साउंड इफेक्ट्स कहाँ से लेने हैं ये नहीं पता. These days they simply go on YouTube and search for sound effects. पर ये करने से आप बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर सकते हो. You either risk getting copyright claims or you risk not getting your desired sound effects. और आपको क्या करना है? As creators आपको ये दोनों चीज़ें अवॉइड करनी है. So यहाँ आते हैं हम आपको हेल्प करने. Hoopr, your one-stop shop for everything music. Hoopr पे आपको मिलेंगे wide variety of sound effects. You name it, we have it. Stadium sounds, road sounds, risers, and even horror sounds. Hoopr का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेके आप अपनी वीडियो को बना सकते हो 100 times better. Now all you have to do is get a subscription, search for your category, download, and put it on your edit timeline. अब आपको सीखना है how to use these sounds to elevate your video. Always remember to not make your sound effects too loud. अब आप बताइए कि इन दोनों सीन्स में से आपको कौन सा सीन बेटर लग रहा है. सच बताओ, दूसरा वाला sounds better, right? The reason why it sounds better is because the sound effects are not overpowering the scene. It is not taking away anything from it, but rather giving into it. Sound effects are a part of a scene and not the scene itself. So guys, this is how sound effects help you in your video and how Hoopr helps you in that process. So for more such videos and for copyright-free music and sound effects, share and subscribe to Hoopr. Thank you.